Abhigyan Academy presents. In today's video, we'll be covering the updated answers of GAT of NDA to 2023. We'll focus on the solved questions from the previous paper of the paper. There are 10 questions in total and you have 5 seconds to answer each correct answer. Way to marks. Also remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Without further ado, let's get started. The atmospheric layer closest to Earth is known as. Who of the following was the leader of a society popularly known as Red Shirts? The geometric form of the Earth is approximately that of. Which one of the following dynasties did King Bhoja, a great patron of literature and art, belong? The Mehrauli pillar inscription belongs to the period of the. The Varnas came to be transformed into the hereditary castes during the. The Jana saint credited with the spread of Jainism in Karnataka was. The people of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro culture belong to the. Which one of the following weapons was not known to the people of Indus Valley civilization? Who among the following rulers was first to embrace Buddhism?